Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, February the 11th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday and will be happening. Yesterday, scholars were doing an amazing job understanding the difference between perpendicular and parallel lines. So scholars, make sure in fourth grade you know that. Also, third grade scholars were also tallying and making sure that they could divide things into different sizes. Maybe they could divide it in half. So then they would have to use the operation of dividing by 2. Nice job. Scholars want to do a couple of reminders tomorrow. Tomorrow is out of uniform. So if you are virtual, you can wear your red shirt or your pink shirt. If you come here in person, red shirt or pink shirt with your blue jeans, black belt, white socks, and black shoes. Also, scholars, remember tomorrow is a different schedule. Tomorrow is a different schedule. So make sure you check with your teachers today to ensure that if you're virtual, you know when we are having our growth assembly for your grade level and when your team and family time is for our celebration for Valentine's Day. Also, scholars, if you are in person, you may bring a clothes. That means you went to the store and you bought a treat for everyone in your class, but it cannot be one that's open. It has to be a closed, individually wrapped treat for those in your class if you choose to bring it. We ask no Valentines because, you know, with COVID, we want to be safe and healthy. Also, scholars, remember that you need to ask your teachers if you have missed assignments and get them turned in. It's almost time again. It's almost time again to see your progress reports. And I would hate for your parents to be super sad if you had some low grades. You guys are amazing scholars. You're doing an amazing job. And I appreciate all of you and miss you too, those who cannot come in person. But we are glad that everyone is safe and healthy. So scholars, again, it's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.